Everyone thinks the best-selling high-pressure shower head is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, MakeFit Dual Shower Head Combo. First up is the MakeFit Dual Handheld Shower Head Combo, priced at $39.98. What caught my attention here is its 2-in-1 design, featuring an 8-inch rainfall shower head and a handheld option. If you want a versatile shower experience that gives you both comfort and control, this is worth a serious look. This means you can customize your shower based on your mood or need, whether you want a relaxing experience or a quick rinse after the gym. The adjustable angle and height make it easy to find the perfect position, and with a flow rate of 1.8 gallons per minute GPM, you get a satisfying spray without sacrificing water efficiency. Plus, it's easy to install, just attach it to your existing shower arm without needing a plumber. Now, some people complained about the 59-inch hose being a bit short for taller showers. Here's the thing though, if you have an average shower height, you should have no issues. But if you're on the taller side, it might require some adjustments. This is perfect for you if you enjoy a customizable shower experience and want both handheld and overhead options. Skip this one if you need a longer hose right out of the box. For the price, it truly offers great value for a luxurious shower experience. Now, if the hose length bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its extended reach. Product number 2, AquaCare High Pressure Handheld. Next is the AquaCare High Pressure 8-mode handheld shower head, retailing for $31.99. Right off the bat, its impressive 4.6-star rating with over 49,600 reviews caught my eye. If you're looking for a shower head that combines powerful pressure with easy cleaning, this is definitely worth considering. This means you can enjoy a strong water pressure without worrying about grime building up over time. The built-in power wash mode lets you clean your tub and tiles from up to 6 feet away, no more awkward scrubbing. With a flow rate of 2.5 GPM, it's powerful yet efficient, ensuring you get that pressure boost when you need it most. However, some users noted that the handle might feel a bit bulky. While it does take a little getting used to, many found that it's a small trade-off for the overall performance and versatility. This is perfect for families who need a reliable shower system for both bathing and cleaning. Skip this one if you prefer a more compact design. For the price, it brings a lot of functionality to your bathroom. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who love a range shower experience. Product number 3, BOZYBO Range Shower Head. Coming in at $52.99, the BOZYBO Range Shower Head with handheld is next on my list. What really stood out to me is its generous 12-inch rainfall shower head that promises full body coverage. If you want that luxurious spa feel right in your own bathroom, this one's definitely worth a look. With 10 different spray settings, including 2 power jets for cleaning, it can tackle everything from a relaxing rinse to serious grime removal. It's designed to give you a smooth, rain-like experience with 278 nozzles ensuring even water distribution. The flow rate is 1.75 GPM, which is solid for a high-pressure shower. One downside I noticed is that the magnetic docking feature can be a bit tricky for some users initially. While it offers convenience, it might take a moment to figure out how to dock it properly. But once you get the hang of it, it becomes a breeze. This is perfect for anyone looking for a comprehensive shower solution that feels like a mini vacation. Skip this one if you're looking for something more basic and straightforward. For its price, it's a great investment in your showering experience. Now, if the magnetic docking isn't your style, the next product offers a more traditional handheld experience. Product number 4, JDO High Pressure Shower Head. At just $23.97, let's talk about the JDO High Pressure Handheld Shower Head. With its affordable price and 4.5-star rating, this one really packs a punch. If you want a budget-friendly option that still delivers high pressure, this is a solid choice. The JDO shower head features 6 different spray patterns, allowing you to switch from a gentle mist to a strong massage with ease. Thanks to its air induction technology, It maintains a powerful stream even at lower water pressures, which is great if you live in an area with inconsistent water pressure. The 59-inch stainless steel hose gives you plenty of reach, making it easy to maneuver around your shower space. That said, some users mention that the material feels cheaper compared to more expensive models. While it's lightweight and easy to install, if you're looking for something that feels premium, this may not be it. But many found it to be a great deal for the performance it offers. This is perfect for anyone who wants a reliable shower without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're after a luxury feel. For the price, you get a lot of features that make showering enjoyable. Now, if you're looking for something that combines elegance with performance, our final product might just be what you need. Product number 5, GURIN Shower Head. Last but not least is the GURIN Shower Head, priced at $26.94. This one caught my attention with its sleek design and 4.6-star rating. If you want a luxurious rainfall experience without the hefty price tag, this shower head is definitely worth considering. With its easy-to-clean anti-clog nozzles, maintaining this shower head is a breeze, ensuring you get consistent performance shower after shower. It also has a maximum flow rate of 1.8 GPM, which balances pressure and water efficiency nicely. Some users did mention that the angle adjustment could be a little stiff at first. While it does loosen up after a few uses, if you're looking for something that adjusts effortlessly right away, this might be a minor drawback. But many found it to be a great value for the quality it delivers. This is perfect for anyone who wants a luxurious shower experience without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you're looking for a handheld option. For the price, it's a fantastic addition to any bathroom. In conclusion, we've explored a range of high-pressure shower heads, from the versatile make-fit combo to the elegant GURIN. Each offers unique features to fit different needs and preferences, so you can find the perfect one for your showering experience. To wrap things up, we've seen the versatile make-fit dual combo, the powerful AquaCare, the luxurious BOZYBO, the budget-friendly JDO, and the elegant GURIN. Each has its strengths and can cater to different needs. Whether you're looking for power, luxury, or affordability, there's a perfect shower head for you on this list.